This is Binary Trending channel with a new video for Pocket Option Broker, making $1,000 trading. Using 15-second candle time frame and 1-minute trade expiry time with the following indicators as on screen. A moving average indicator with period 50 and type WMA. The stochastic oscillator with K period 14 and the D period is not used. The smoothing period is 4 and moving average type is WMA. Overbought line 82 and oversold line 13 and save the changes. The awesome oscillator is used with its default settings. Give the video a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Now to place trades you need to identify the market trend direction with the moving average. As on screen, the moving average is going downward and indicating a downward trend. Secondly, the stochastic oscillator should be leaving the overbought condition downward for put option trades, and the awesome oscillator should be having a strong momentum downward or just a small momentum upward, then the trend can easily reverse downward and give you your profit in 1 minute. Now let's wait for the market to play out. The put option trades closed with profit. This is another put option trade as the moving average indicator is going downward, indicating a downward market trend. The stochastic oscillator is crossing the overbought line downward, indicating a sell signal. The awesome oscillator was going upward with a strong momentum, but it reached the zero line and the momentum have died down, and that indicates the upward trend is weak and can reverse downward or pull back, giving another great entry point. Let's see if 1 minute will be enough for the trade to close with profit or not. Another great win here. At this put option entry point, the main entry signal is given by the awesome oscillator as it is going downward with very strong momentum. Although the stochastic oscillator is leaving the oversold condition upward, there is very high chance that it won't go upward because of the high momentum downward. Even the candles have gone below the moving average, indicating a bearish trend is starting out. The trades played out better than I thought. This is a similar situation like the previous trades where the stochastic oscillator is in the oversold condition and the awesome oscillator is going downward with strong momentum, indicating the market can go downward again before a pullback upward. Let's wait for the trades to play out. The market did not go downward for 1 minute and the trades closed with a loss. This is a call option trades as the awesome oscillator candles turn green and going upward indicates a strong momentum upward. The stochastic oscillator also leaving the oversold condition upward indicates a good entry for call trades. Let's wait for the trade to play out. We made profit, but the trade did not play out well as the market trend is downward. This is a strong upward trend for call option trades. The stochastic oscillator left the oversold condition upward and the awesome oscillator indicating an upward momentum, and the moving average is upward indicating a good upward trend for call option trades. Closed with absolute profit. Great. This is all about today's video, and if you are into binary options trading, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel.